Kablay pibara session part hakane ka video ka bamta ngan pentip syapi yaki khobor laikam balapan mi daka robar boot recruitment arajan repusau jong kipus yong profesional dekalapan mi hadu san poteli kipus baro tiye kani kipus papiya ban apply kande yaki kandidat ki balapas yaka bachelor degree lane master degree te ladadon apdang jong pi ki kandidat lane ki aplikan ki bakwa ban apply yakin kipus Tinga kerpat ya pi bapen page ya kene ka video adu bandakut kenang bapen singuthu company hak bayadai bat kene kipus paria kiwe ki jing dan kam tena kamta kipus hapo kamekal hapo kajela mekala yaru kidan kipus balaj bat hapo north east region tela da pimpwa hapo mekala yaru katkum kajingkwa kajongpi bapio apila ban apply hakiwe ki north east region kum hapo Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, bat Nagaland. Tero berbut invite online application for the post young professional extension service. The last date for submission of the application is 13 November 2024. Tekumbang ladaman ong baka ro berbut ke kod online application yaki post young professional extension service. Bat ka last date ban submit yaki application kin pedang hadu ka kharletrik November arajar arpsau. Teka kerteng jong kipus kadai yong professional extension service number of post hadu sanpoteli kipus bat lapie ruha laki jong ki region wise vacancy list. North east region sapoteli kipus non traditional region other states poteli kipus hapo north east region pat Agartala zone Chipoteli kipus Guwahati zone Laipoteli kipus Tehapo Assam Kandoteli kipus hapo Meghalaya ateli kipus Mizoram laiteli kipus Manipur laiteli kipus Arunachal Pradesh laiteli kipus bat Nagaland laiteli kipus bat ka non traditional region Chipoteli kipus kine bat kimdai hapo north east region West Bengal iwe ipus Odisha ateli kipus Karnataka handoteli kipus Andhra Pradesh iwe ipus TKO per age limit yakini kipus ado live husnam akashi terek banai Oktober arajar apsau papio ban apply nang ta kasalari kadai sau pojar haka si banai kamud lakhenlang bat kiwe ki allowance nang ta ke essential qualification pat bachelor degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry or master degree in botany or plant science from a recognized university. Jadi pendep yaka bachelor degree haka agriculture, horticulture, forestry, lane master degree haka botany, lane plant service, plant science haka no ka university. Local language preference will be given to candidate know the local language but ki kamshim bha yaki candidate ki banang bha haka local language. Tikum no bepen apply yakini kipus. Interest and eligible candidate may apply online through the Robert Boot recruitment portal from 1st October 13 November 2024. Te pidang yo bha kapor ban apply pat piha ban apply online haka Robert Boot recruitment portal. Tena kamanta kamut selection pat kandon ka written test bat ka interview. Pat ki candidate ki haban late tho ya ka exam ka written exam bat ka interview hapo Guwahati Agartala bat Mangalore. Teha kapor bapi register pat pi haban aya ka valid email address bat u password ujong pi namar yaki admit card kin sapha haki haka website jongka Robert Boot lane phila banyo pandownload haka website desa kana kawai ki candidate ki badai hapo notice region ki long eligible ban apply tang yaki post ki badai hapo notice region bat om don kam ban sew yaka by application yakini ki post Tetang kini kecik bentip hak kebaidai buat kini kipus kebersiban ngin saya kendupat.